With thousands of investment funds to choose from, first-time investors can be left scratching their heads, not knowing where to start. For those dipping their toes into the stock market for the first time, a multi-asset fund is a sensible starting point. They split your money across a mixture of different assets, but mainly invest in shares and bonds. This spread of investments gives investors diversification. The theory is that different types of investments are unlikely to all outperform or underperform at the same time, which reduces the volatility of your overall portfolio. So multi-asset funds give your portfolio ample opportunity to grow while also guarding against severe short-term losses. At Interactive Investor, our quick start range aimed at beginner investors endorses 6 multi-asset funds that we believe stand out from the crowd. 3 of the funds are actively managed by BMO's fund managers and 3 are passively managed, low-cost funds by Vanguard that follow the performance of the market. Check out the Interactive Investor website for more details.